Hi, bright friends. Today I will draw Bluey making a big celebration jump, her paws stretched high like a champion in the sky. The drawing will come to life slowly, so while waiting, let me share the story of her happiest leap. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe my channel, so every joyful jump can bounce right into your heart. The sun glowed warmly across the backyard. Bluey and Bingo had been playing chase all morning, running in wide circles until their paws grew tired and their cheeks felt hot. Dad sat on the porch, cheering them on like a lively coach. Mum brought cool water and clapped to their rhythm. Bluey stood tall, tail wagging with pride. "That was the best game ever," she shouted. Her chest bubbled with energy, too big to keep inside. "I'm going to do a celebration jump." Bingo tilted her head, ears flopping. "A celebration jump?" "Yep." Bluey grinned, crouching low. "When you're super happy, you leap as high as you can." She bent her knees, pushed off the ground, and soared upward. Her paws stretched wide, her ears lifted with the breeze, and her giggle echoed across the yard. "Can you jump too?" Bluey called, still laughing as she landed. "Try a little hop right where you are, like you're celebrating something amazing." Bingo copied, bouncing beside her sister. "Woohoo," she cheered. Dad stood up, pretending to blow a whistle. And Bluey takes the grand prize with the highest jump. Bluey crouched again, more determined this time. She jumped, spun midair, and landed in a funny pose that made everyone laugh. Bingo clapped wildly. "That's the silliest jump ever." Bluey's heart raced with joy. She tried again and again, each leap more playful than the last. Sometimes she twisted, sometimes she kicked her legs out, and sometimes she just flopped back down on the grass giggling. "Can you spin your arms like you're twirling in the air?" Bluey asked, showing her spin jump. "Pretend we're flying together." Mum joined in, hopping gently while holding her jug of water, and Dad bounced clumsily, almost tripping on the step. The pups laughed so hard they rolled on the ground. The whole yard felt alive, every clap and cheer adding to the celebration. Even the butterflies seemed to dance along, floating above the flowers. At last, Bluey jumped one final time, lifting higher than ever before. She landed with her paws out wide, chest puffed, and shouted, "Best celebration jump ever." Bingo hugged her. "You looked like you were flying, Bluey." Bluey smiled softly, her energy melting into calm. "Celebrating with you all makes it even better." The evening sky turned orange, the air cooling gently. The family sat together on the grass, watching the first star appear. So rest now, little dreamer, let your spirit leap into skies of wonder, soft and deep.